In this video, you will learn how to create a mind map. A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. You can use a mind map to organize concepts so that they become easier to learn, or even vocabulary in a second language class. Your assignment. You're going to take all the vocabulary from Chapter 4 and create a mind map. You should choose how to organize the vocabulary in your mind map. You can use the same categories as in the book: agreeing, disagreeing, suggesting times, checking understanding, etc. Or you could use different categories. You could classify the words in words you know, words you have never used before, or words you recognize but do not use, or words or phrases that are similar to Spanish and words or phrases that are different from Spanish, or anything else you can think of. You could also make 2 or more mini mind maps that follow different organizational patterns. However, you must use colors in your mind map, and you must do your mind map by hand. And you must use all of the vocabulary from the module. Why must you use colors? Because associating vocabulary with colors makes it easier to memorize. And why must you write it by hand? Because we memorize things better when we write them by hand. And when we write them by hand, we avoid just copying and pasting. Mind maps in language learning have an important role in memorizing. They help us memorize because we repeat words. In creating the mind map, we also group words in different categories, so to create associations. It also involves self-monitoring, where you are aware of which words you know and which words you perhaps don't know yet. This is linked to goal setting and self-evaluation. If you know which words you don't know yet, you can set a goal to learn them and quiz yourself to see how well you're doing. It can also help with analyzing phrases. As you put the phrases in the mind map, you see which ones are similar to Spanish, which ones use a different construct, what the prepositions involved are. And they help because linking new information with information that is already known increases the rate at which we memorize new vocabulary. The objectives of making a mind map: memorize some of the vocabulary from the module, but become familiar with all of the vocabulary from the module. It should help you identify what you know and what you still need to study. And it's a tool that you can use in order to memorize all of the vocabulary in the coming weeks. The objective is not to automatically memorize all of the words after creating one mind map. Good luck!